Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video of Styles channel. My name is Mercy.
There's a face in the mirror I think I know.
Today's video guys, I'm going to share with you a very beautiful table setting for summer. I was invited to a video collab hosted by the Ladies of Elegance. The ladies always have a monthly open collaboration every second Saturday of each month at 6 p.m. The name of the series is Sophisticated Saturdays. I'm going to leave the link of their channel in the description box down below for you guys to check them out. Please watch the video till the end. I'm going to tell you exactly where everything from. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, some decor, DIY clean with me. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you. And keep on watching. Guys, I didn't want to overspend and I saw this Hobby Lobby for 50% off. I bought it and I removed all the succulent was in the perimeter, and that's the one I put inside the vase. The lower quality at Dollar Tree will cost me more money if I had to buy them individual. Whenever I'm going super loud with my colors on the dining plate and placemats, I always keep my centerpiece neutral as possible. I do it vice versa. If my centerpiece is super loud in colors, I go neutral in my dining plates. This is my preference, you can do as you like. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue, mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Dans cette vidéo, je vais vous montrer comment j'ai décoré ma table pour été. Décorer ma maison et j'aime décorer ma table quand je prépare la nourriture pour ma famille. Et si vous aimez, n'oubliez pas de me laisser un petit commentaire. À tous mes abonnés, merci beaucoup pour votre support, je vous aime. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what do you think if you like it. If you do, don't forget to smash me with some thumbs up and share it. This is my favorite piece of the table setting, the napkin wings. I get them from Amazon and I think they were like $17.99, something like that. A closer look of them to see how gorgeous they are. I love them so much, they're beautiful. The yellow and the white napkins from Format. My silverware from Amazon. I have them for 2 years now. I think I paid $35 at the time. I don't know if they're going up or down, but I like them. I have them for 2 years and I've been using them for ever since. The wine glass from the thrift store, I paid $3 for 8. My Kindle holder from Home Goods and my yellow Kindle from the thrift store as well. The vase from Gallery and the succulent from Hobby Lobby. And my green germ from Walmart and the moss ball from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link of everything in the description box down below for you guys to check them out. And as you guys know, I love making my own floral arrangement. Those are real lemons I get from Walmart because the artificial one costs more money. And I add my little sunflowers, decorate my lantern, the lantern from Home Goods. The dining plate from Dollar Tree. Bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moi. Sur la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo. Dans vidéo ça m'a montré nous qui j'aimerais préparer table pour été. Mais ranger belle couvert pour me famille manger, yo pas besoin seulement well dans télévision soit dans 5 star hotel. Moi porter 5 star ba yo la caillou chaque jour. Si nous aimez vidéo, s'il vous plaît, pas oublier la petite graine commentaire en bas vidéo. Et pour tout le monde qui est habitué à venir tourner et supporter mieux, merci en pile. The flowers from Amazon and the yellow ginger jar from Home Goods. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!